Today's episode is sponsored by Sylvia. Now, they offered me a 15-day gut cleaner from women and men for the colon and gut support. It has probiotics and Sylvia and Husk cleaner for bowel dissolvement. Now, they sent me this 15-day supply, and I want to share with you. And I also have a discount code that will be listed down below. Now, here are some of the ingredients: senna, cascara sagrada, and psyllium. It also has flaxseed, aloe vera, lactose bacillus, acidophilus. So let me know down below if you're going to try it. Okay, what I'm doing now is I'm getting into the habit of following a regimen that I set up for myself for cleaning. And right now, one of the things is to do a load of clothes every day. So it's kind of working out for me. Because if you know me, you know your girl hurts doing laundry. So I've already put the load in. Now I'm just going to put the washing powder and stuff in and get it started. First task, done. The next on my list, the reason I'm so close to the phone is I forgot to charge my mics and they're on the charger right now. I know. But the next thing on my list right now is I have the kitchen where I clean the front of the cabinet faces, the countertops off, and then the breakfast area where I dust and I sweep. Now I mopped this weekend in here, and I'm going to tell you why I'm not mopping today. Because what I did was I saw a maid on Instagram showing how she went over these people's floor. Now their floor is a little like mine, but nevertheless, I wanted to try it in here and see if it worked for me. Now, I'm going to go get the broom I used and I'm going to show you. So, hold on. Okay, now, I haven't got this broom here. And this is the one I bought for the garage, right? So, what she did was she got this broom and she took that and she used that with soap and water, of course, on the floor, and she went over the floor with it. Well, I've been mopping this floor and using the steamer thinking, girl, you getting it. But when I put, oh, and also the soap I use, let me get that. Okay, I use this. It's for, and yes, it does say driveway and concrete cleaner and degreaser. Well, this is for, of course, outside. But the type of floor that I have, I'm going to include a picture of the floor. I have been using just, Fabuloso and soap to clean it, thinking that I was scrubbing it pretty good. But when I put this cleaner down with the water, hot water on the floor, and got this broom and scrub, there was so much dirt coming off this floor. And then I took the regular mop and went over it with the mop to help pick up all the dirty water. The water that came up was so dirty. I was like, oh my goodness. I've been thinking I've been really scrubbing this floor, and this stuff showed me, haha, you're really not. So I'm going to try to do this detail mopping at least once a week, maybe. I'm not going to set that goal because some weeks my body says you're not doing anything, and in other weeks my body says, let's go girl, let's go. So I'm going to try to put this in my regimen of cleaning. So it may be once a month that I do this deep cleaning on the floor, but I will continue to do the regular mopping and sweeping as normal. Now, on my agenda for today, let me get my phone. But you know your girl puts everything on her calendar, right? If you know me, you know I do that. So on today's agenda for the kitchen, it says kitchen and dining room. And my agenda today, it says clean the sink, counters, and stove, mop and sweep, straighten pantry, wipe microwave, wipe out refrigerator, wipe cabinet doors and walls, clean cycle dishwasher and dust. Well, what I'm going to do in here today is I am going to empty the dishwasher because that's something that's supposed to be done on the daily. So I'm going to empty the dishwasher and load the dishwasher. And I'm going to wipe down the cabinet, the countertops, and the door fronts. And I'm going to sweep and mop in here. And then the microwave, I will wipe out the microwave. The refrigerator, I wiped it out yesterday. And then in the dining area, I'm just going to sweep in there because the table and stuff is already clean, and continue on, finish up my cleaning process. So I'm going to stop babbling. I'm going to put the broom and the cleaner back out in the garage and start working. But I have a question for you. Now, I have two different degreasers that I want to put on the front of the cabinets, but I'm not sure which one to use. So let me know which one you guys use. This is called Mean Green. And then this other one is called, it says Orange Power. It's a degreaser and it's concentrated. It's by Fuller. Now I'm going to use the Mean Green today, but I really would like for you to tell me down below what degreaser do you use to clean the front of your countertop, your cabinets, so I can try something different. So I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to get this stuff arranged and get back to work. So now that I've finished wiping out the counters, the cabinet tops, the cabinet fronts, sweeping, now I'm going to show you the finished product. Oh, and emptying and loading the dishwasher. So I'm going to show you the finished kitchen. Now in the breakfast area, all I did was basically sweep because I'd already cleaned it out and up the other day. But the kitchen looks good. I need to leave this information here so we can get in touch with our roofers today. But everything else has been cleaned. Dishwasher's running. You saw me put up the dishes. I'm rather proud of myself that I got that done. So I will catch you in the next episode.